take a look at question number 1 again. This time I'm going to do this in a different way. Okay, I'm going to choose the points in such a way that you can plot the graph, plot the points in the graph given. All right, okay, so if you look at this graph, what you can see in this graph is mostly this side of the graph, not this side. Okay, not the part where x and y are positive. It's this, if this is the first quadrant and this 1 2 3 4, what you see in this graph is the second, I think it is called quadrant, second quadrant of this graph. All right, okay, so in this video I'm going to show you, it's not a different way of doing the same problem, or maybe it's a different way of doing the same problem by choosing different points. Okay, by choosing different values for y, by choosing different values for x. All right, okay, so you can plot the graph in this quadrant. So in my previous video, I chose for values of x, I chose 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So instead, here in this video, I'm going to choose -1, -2, -3, and -4 for values as values of x. So my purpose is that then in that case you can draw the graph in this quadrant. Okay, you can plot the points in this quadrant and draw the graph here instead of drawing it here. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to simply choose the points in such a way that I can plot the points in the second quadrant. Okay, so for when the value of x is -1, okay, using this equation of the function, which is y equals x plus 5, your x plus 5 is -1 plus 5, which is 4. So your value of x is -1, the value of x is y, so you get the point -1, 4. Okay, here's you got the first point as -1, 4. Similarly, you calculate the value of y using -2 and -3 as the values of x. Okay, so you will get these points here. You got 3 points. Now what you have to do is that simply go to the graph and plot these values in the graph. Now all you have to do is to simply plot these the points in a graph. Okay, so you already know what the points are. -1, 4. -1, 4 would be the value of x is -1. Okay, and the x coordinate is -1 and the y coordinate is 4. So here's -1, the coordinate 4. Here's the point. And the second point you want to plot is -2, 3. So x coordinate -2 and y coordinate 3. So here's where it meets, right? Okay, so this is the second point, and the third point is -3 and 2. Okay, so you got 3 points. You just join 3 points, and this is the graph of the given equation. Okay,